Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY&Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create this Easter basket with items from the Dollar Tree. You can do this simple basket for your kids, your niece, your nephews, your friends, or you can even try to sell these and make a sale on these items. If you really want to see how I put this basket together, then keep on watching. So here I have all the items from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to see how much we spent. So we have this bucket or bowl basin. We have one of those tumbler. They're $1.25. I think they look really good. It's like a mimic of the Stanley. So we have an Easter bunny chocolate, Oreo chocolate. We have a little lip gloss. We have some little fake Barbie nails. We have some little jelly beans. And we have these are chalk. Okay, they're outdoor chalks. We have the bunny headband. We have some bubbles, and we also have some like shredded paper and a small tiny bunny. Now the kid that I'm making this basket for is 8 years old. So also when you're choosing how you're gonna make your basket, you want to choose stuff that's gonna suit the age of the kid. Okay, I know these kids nowadays, they don't be going outside playing with chalk like we used to do when we were kids, but I'm trying to get this kid to go outside, okay? You got to go outside and draw with your chalk like hopscotch and all those things. All right, so overall, I was doing the math of how much items I have and how much I probably paid for these. Overall, I have 11 items from the Dollar Tree, and when I was counting, but then it went up because I forgot about the plastic wrap and the curly ribbon. So overall I have about $15 worth of item from the Dollar Tree. So here I went over in my Cricut design space, and I customized the kid's name. I'm not going to show you guys how I do so. If you want to see videos on how I customize them, I can link a video in the description box below and in the iCard above so you guys can check that out. So here I am. We're just going to use 91% alcohol and I'm going to clean off the tumbler. All right, so once you clean that off, we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to apply our vinyl with the kid's name. I'm using the color changing vinyl, so it's like a pink, but it changed to purple when it's cold. So if you take a good look at this vinyl, it looks, half of it look pink, half look cold. Sorry, half look purple. So when it's cold, it turned purple. When it's warm, it turned pink. So I was trying to figure out how I'm going to put this on the tumbler. So I'm going to put it to the side. Now this kid, she damaged water bottle very often. So we decided we're going to do Dollar Tree stuff now and see how she tolerates this, if it lasts longer, or because our mom been spending a lot of money on tumblers. She bought them for me too. She told me that she ruined the tumbler, so I'm like, all right, I'm going to make her something. So here we are. So you notice I'm showing you as I'm rubbing it, it's getting warm. So I'm trying to show you guys how that vinyl changed color according to the temperature of the room. So as I'm rubbing it, it's getting warmer. Okay, so that's why it's changing to pink. It's beautiful. So now we put our name on our little tumbler here. And these are actually not bad for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. It's a good tumbler to give a water bottle, or you could give it to your kids to go to school. I don't got no kids, so I have to just do what I can for others. Okay, so that's it. Her name is on her cup. Life is good, and she's gonna love this when she takes it to school. So I decided I want to take it up a notch. So I have like these stickers. I have this little unicorn girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this little unicorn girl on it. Now, if you want, you could get more stylish with your cup. But again, if you're gonna sell these baskets, you got to be careful how much you do, because then you won't make your money back. And also, I don't know if this kid is going to ruin this in 2 seconds, so we're just going to keep it limited. So we're going to figure out where I want to put this little unicorn girl. See, I'm trying to like look at the tumbler to see if I want to put it down to the bottom, but if you put it to the bottom, then you may have to put more. I have more. You could lower your tumbler with this, or you could cut out like little hearts to put around your tumbler to go along. But guess what? This kid is 8 years old. She's going to love it. It's perfectly fine, just like it is. Okay, so now we put that little unicorn sticker on. It kind of gives the tumbler a pop. So life is good. There you have it. I'm gonna peel back that transfer tape that we used to put that backing on, and there it is. I must say, after personalizing this tumbler, you can't even tell it's from the Dollar Tree. So this is another side hustle. You could just literally do these tumbler and sell them. I also want to show you guys that it's very hard to open and it's very hard to close, because I wanted to see how good it was. Probably should have done that at Dollar Tree before buying it. So now I'm just trying to see, is it going to be hard to open? Is she going to be able to rip this piece off on the top? You know, you just messing with it. I wasn't even thinking about any of that before I bought it. So you guys see how what I was saying about the color change? See how the writing start getting warm because I'm working over it with my warm hand. You see how it start turning pink. If you guys look more over to the K, you could see where it's purple. So make sure if you're going to sell these items from the Dollar Tree, take the stickers off. I know some of the items from the Dollar Tree you can't get the stickers off, but for those that you can, just take them off. So here I am. We're going to be personalizing our bucket. I don't know what it is. A pan, a bucket, a bath, whatever. Type it in the comment section if you know what this is. I'm just going to call it a container. All right. So we're using 91% alcohol to clean that off because we want to make sure our vinyl stick. Originally, I wanted to put the bunny on the front of this, but after I created the bunny, spend my time creating in Design Space with her name in between, like a cutout, I realized that this thing has a weird shape, and then it may be a pain in the ass or problematic to get it on. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to take it easy. Sometimes too much or less is better. I'm not going to put the bunny on front. I'm just going to make her name big enough with a little bow, because that bow was going to be on the bunny's head. It was going to be so cute, but I think I need a flatter surface. I can put it on there, but I don't want to make problem for myself. And in case more people want one of these baskets, there's more basket for me to make and more pain in the ass for me to go through getting the bunny on this kind of weird shaped surface, because it's not straight flat. It has like a curve. The bottom is smaller and the top is bigger. So here I am. These are some permanent Cricut vinyl. I have these for a while. I'm trying to get rid of them. So whenever I'm making something for somebody for free, I just kind of use these. I have these for a long time. So I'm just trying to get rid of Cricut vinyl. When I first started Cricut, they were hard to work with. Now I can work with them. I don't know if it's because I had just started, so I didn't know how to work with them. They weren't that user friendly, or they were just crappy vinyl, and now I got better, I can do it. I don't know. So here we are. We're using our little squoogie. We're burnishing that on the basket, and we're getting it right, and life is good. So this is just way easier than putting the bunny on, because again, like I said, I'm creating trouble for myself. And this is big. You could see the name from 100 miles away. So if you're interested in knowing the measurement, I have it at 8 inches long and 8 inches wide, which is going to be long across, and 2 inches for the height. So the letters are 2 inches from bottom to top and 8 inches from side to side with the bow. That's how much I put there. Just using the squeegee to go over like an ear bubble right there, and life is good. We're going to save that transfer tape because, of course, I reuse them, especially on my balloons, because you want to use stuff that's not so sticky. Again, we want to take off or peel off any of the $1.25 signs that are tags that we could get off. There are some that we can't get off, unfortunately, so there you have it. So what I'm going to do here for my container, I'm going to be stuffing it. So this is what's going to cost you to make these. But what you could do, because I have all these papers, but what you can do is, if you don't have all these papers, is get the brown paper, the rolled brown paper from the Dollar Tree. You could get that and fill this bucket, because it's a little deeper, the container. So you don't want, when you put your items in it, you can't see it. Okay, so you want to fill that up all the way to the top, so you could put the stuff on the top. So these are tissue paper that my mom had collected for me a long time ago, because I use them for my sublimation. So I put some in the bottom. But if you don't have that like I do, I had the option of my mom. She worked at a clothing store, and she used to work at a clothing store, and she collects these for me. Use the brown paper. So that's going to be another $2 worth of paper. Okay, so here I have some what do they call this? Crimp paper? You know, I just said a shredded paper. Okay, I have some shredded paper here, and these are like from St. Patty's Day last year. So I have just one packet of the Easter color, and that one packet was not going to cover all that white paper, tissue paper in the bottom. So I'm using some of my St. Patty's Day color shredded paper to kind of cover those white tissue paper, and then I'm going to spread over on top of that my Easter color. Now, if you don't have, like, if you're going to do this for your kids or it's your first time doing, you may going to have to spend more money than I do, because I have a lot of stuff. So I was able to like that shredded paper, I was able to use those. If you don't have those, then you're probably going to need about 3 bags of those from the Dollar Tree to get it going. And also you're gonna have to buy about 2 rolls of brown paper to fill the bottom, because what you're gonna do, if you use 1 roll of brown paper, it's just gonna look like it's filling. When you put the stuff, it starts sink. So you want to make sure it's padded enough where it's not sinking when you put the stuff, if you see what I mean. So here I am. We're going in with our shredded paper, and I'm just pouring that over that. So now it start looking Easter. You know what? As I'm watching this video, I feel like it would have looked good with some purple, but life is good. Shayna, is just too much. You don't need to do all of that shit now. It's perfectly fine. But some purple would have given it a pop. There's a lot of green going, but it looks nice. Anyways, so that's what it looks like. So now you can't see anything. So here I have my chalk. I'm putting that in there. I did not like how that paper looks, so I'm gonna reposition some things as I go along. Keep watching, you'll see. We want to make sure that everything in this basket is going to show, especially if you're doing it to sell. Make sure everything is going to show, so when you put your gift wrap over it, somebody could look at it and say, yeah, I like it because I could see what's in it. When people can't see what's in your basket and you give them a price, they won't buy it. Okay, so make sure everything is visible. So, and not for nothing, when you go to the Dollar Tree, if you're going to make these to sell, pick up stuff that don't look like Dollar Tree. You see how this basket looks nice? Like, I don't know if it's because it's me and I'm the one making it. I don't feel like it looks like Dollar Tree. Type me in the comment section if you think it looks like Dollar Tree items, because I really don't. I think it looks a little high-end-ish, and then to personalize that tumbler and everything, make sure that's showing, okay? Because that's the steal of the show. So I did not like how the eggs were, because the writing is on it, and I tried to peel it off and I couldn't get it off. So I decided I'm going to flip it over. So I flip it over so you can see. So now, again, she's 8-year-old. You got to make sure you choose things that 8-year-old is going to use. That little bunny, she's not going to use it. She's probably going to give it to her dog. She has a little dog. She's probably going to give it to the little dog. But, just to make the basket looks good. Definitely she will use that headband. She's going to love her cup. She's gonna feel like she's in heaven with that big old chocolate bunny. She's gonna love those bubbles and the chalk if she goes outside, and the lip gloss and some fake nail. Life is good. So choose wisely when you're making this basket if you're gonna sell them. Unless it's your kids and you know what your kids like, then it's okay. But if you're gonna sell these, choose wisely the age group of a kid, or you could ask the parents more about their kids. Or, what I'm saying. So this is what the basket looks like so far. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead now, and I'm going to wrap that with one of those basket clear plastic wrap from the Dollar Tree again. Okay, so you got to pick that up and put your basket in there now, because the basket has the container has a weird shape versus the plastic. It's gonna, when you put it inside, it's gonna have bulges at the side. All you're gonna do is take some tape and tape it down nicely, fold it kind of tight. I didn't show you guys that on camera, but fold it kind of tight and wrap it and tape it under the bottom. That's it. You see how it looks nice and tight down to the container? So you just got to fold it and use some tape. Use some clear tape, guys. Don't use the tape that you can see. Use like the clear plastic looking tape. So here I am. I have my curly ribbon, and I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to tie around this now and make it look attractive. So we're going to leave the bunny ears out, because we want the bunny to be on top of the tumbler because it looks good, the bunny ear. Because if you put it to the back, you're not going to see it. It's going to be a problem. So we put it on top of the tumbler, and there it is. Voila. It's absolutely beautiful. So there's not a lot of candy in this basket, and that's what it looks like. So I decided to take it outside where you could find natural light. And of course, that $1.25 is showing because I can't help it. Something like that, you could get a little sticker and put over it. I do have stickers but I just wasn't thinking until now I'm doing the voiceover. But something like that, put a sticker on it, cover it. I still have this basket, so I'll definitely put a sticker over that for them when I'm going to give it to them. So again, tell me, go ahead and type in the comment section and let me know, how much would you charge, or how much would you pay for this basket, or how much would you charge if you do a basket like this? I just can't wait to hear from you guys, because you guys are ridiculous. So and make sure you count the items to know how much we spend at the $1.25 tree, okay? So count those items and then tell me how much you would pay or how much you would charge for this basket. I think it turned out wonderful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you're still here with me and you like this video, obviously give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, after you finish watching this video, go ahead, before you leave, check out the next video that's going to be popping up on the screen. You will see how I created Easter jumbo eggs for your kids. You could also do those ideas for baskets. So if you want to see that other idea before you leave, it's going to be popping up right on the screen after this video. Please go ahead and check that out to get more ideas on how to create Easter basket for your kids and family, or how you could make side hustle with these things. Also, I'm going to be having these linked in my TikTok shop. So if this is something you're interested in and you want to purchase it from me specifically, you could go ahead and check these out on my TikTok shop. I'm going to be having the link to my TikTok shop in the description box below. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.